Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to evaluate this very nice expression. So let's start. First we suppose that this expression inside parentheses is equal to x. Let x is equal to square root of 10 plus square root of 15 plus square root of 20 divided by root 2 plus root 3 plus root 6 plus root 8 plus root 16. Next, x is equal to this root 10 can be written as root 2 times 5 plus this root 15 can be written as root 3 times 5 plus this root 20 can be written as root 4 times 5 divided by root 2 plus root 3 plus this root 6 can be written as root 2 times 3 plus this root 8 can be written as root 4 times 2 plus this root 16 will become 4. Next, x is equal to this will become root 2 times root 5 plus this will become root 3 times root 5 plus this will become root 4 times root 5 divided by root 2 plus root 3 plus this will become root 2 times root 3 plus this will become root 4 times root 2 plus 4. Next, x is equal to root 2 times root 5 plus root 3 times root 5. This root 4 will become 2 times root 5 divided by root 2 plus root 3 plus root 2 times root 3 plus this root 4 will become 2 times root 2 plus this 4 can be written as 2 plus 2. Now from the numerator we can factor out root 5. So this will become x is equal to root 5 as common factor in bracket left root 2 plus root 3 plus 2 divided by we make a group of these three terms root 2 plus root 3 plus 2. So this will become root 2 plus root 3 plus 2 and the remaining terms plus root 2 times root 3 plus this 2 times root 2 plus this 2 can be written as root 2 times root 2. So we write this 2 as root 2 times root 2. Next, x is equal to root 5 times root 2 plus root 3 plus 2 divided by we make a group of these three terms, so this will become root 2 plus root 3 plus 2. We use parentheses to make this a group plus from these three terms we can factor out root 2. So root 2 as common factor in bracket left root 2 plus root 3 plus 2. Next, x is equal to root 5 times root 2 plus root 3 plus 2 divided by, from the denominator we have this expression root 2 plus root 3 plus 2 as common factor. So root 2 plus root 3 plus 2 as common factor, and in bracket left 1 plus root 2, and this expression will be cancelled with this expression, and we are left with x is equal to root 5 divided by 1 plus root 2. Next, x is equal to, we can rewrite this expression as root 5 divided by root 2 plus 1, and to rationalize the denominator we multiply and divide by the conjugate of this expression. The conjugate is root 2 minus 1. We divide by root 2 minus 1. So this will become x is equal to, we multiply this root 5 by this root 2 minus 1. This will become root 5 times root 2 minus 1 divided by using this algebraic identity a plus b times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. This root 2 plus 1 times root 2 minus 1 will become root 2 squared minus 1 squared. Next, x is equal to root 5 times root 2 will become root 10 minus root 5 times 1 root 5 divided by this square will be cancelled with this square root, and 2 minus 1 will become 1, and this will become x is equal to root 10 minus root 5. Now we take power 4 on both sides. So this will become x to the power 4 is equal to, this expression can be written as root 10 minus root 5 whole squared and whole to the power 2. Next, x to the power 4 is equal to, by using this algebraic identity a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This root 10 minus root 5 whole squared will become root 10 whole squared minus 2 times root 10 times root 5 plus root 5 whole squared and whole to the power, this power 2 will come here. Next, x to the power 4 is equal to, this square will be cancelled out with this square root, and this square will be cancelled out with this square root, and this 10 plus 5 will become 15, and negative 2 times root 10 times root 5 will become negative 2 times root 50 whole squared. Next, x to the power 4 is equal to 15 minus, this will become 2 times root 25 times root 2 whole squared. Next, x to the power 4 is equal to, this will become 15 minus 2 times root 25 is 5 times root 2 whole squared, and x to the power 4 is equal to 15 negative 2 times 5 negative 10 times root 2 whole squared. Next, x to the power 4 is equal to, expand this 15 minus 10 times root 2 whole squared, this will become 15 squared minus 2 times 15 times 10 times root 2 plus 10 times root 2 whole squared. Next, x to the power 4 is equal to 15 squared will become 225 minus 2 times 15 30 times 10 300 times root 2 plus this 10 squared is 100 and 100 times 2 will become 200. Next, x to the power 4 is equal to 225 plus 200 will become 425 minus 300 times root 2. So this is the simplest form. This is the final answer of this problem.